Imagine this: you come home after a long day, open YouTube or Netflix, click on a video, and within seconds, the video starts playing smoothly. Seems simple, right? But have you ever wondered how it is happening behind the scenes? Well, in this video, we are going to discuss this, and we will understand video streaming, HTTP streaming, and Dash in the simplest way possible. So let's begin. Today, video streaming is one of the biggest users of the internet. Every day, millions of people watch movies, web series, cricket highlights, tutorials, and YouTube videos. Now, the first question is, what exactly is streaming? Streaming means watching a video while it is still being delivered over the internet. You do not wait for the entire movie to download first. Instead, small parts of the video continuously arrive from the server, and your device keeps playing them one after another. It is like drinking water directly from a tap, instead of filling the entire tank first. Now, where do these videos come from? Videos are stored on powerful servers owned by companies like YouTube and Netflix. When you click on a video, your device sends a request saying, "Please send me this video." The server then starts sending video data through the internet to your phone or laptop. Now here comes an important thing. Videos contain huge amounts of data. Why? Because a video is actually a fast sequence of images. For example, 24 images every second or 30 images every second. So naturally, video files become very large. This is why video compression is extremely important. Compression reduces video size so it can travel faster through the internet. Remember this point. Higher video quality needs higher bitrate. Bitrate simply means how much data is sent every second. For example, low quality video may need only 100 kbps bitrate. HD video may need more than 3 Mbps bitrate, and 4K video may require over 10 Mbps bitrate. So, better quality means more bitrate. Now, suppose a video needs 3 Mbps internet speed to play smoothly, but your internet can only provide 1 Mbps. So, what happens now? Buffering. That annoying loading circle appears because the video is arriving slower than it is being played. In HTTP streaming, the video is stored on a server just like a normal file. Every video has its own URL. So when you click the video, your device sends an HTTP GET request. In simple words, your device is saying, "Hey server, send me the file stored at this address." The server then starts sending video data as fast as possible. But your device does not immediately play the video. Instead, it first stores incoming data inside a temporary storage area called a buffer. Once enough data is collected, the video starts playing. Meanwhile, new data keeps downloading and old data keeps playing. So, downloading and watching happen at the same time. Now, the traditional HTTP streaming had one big problem. Everyone received the same video quality, but internet speed is different for every user. Some people have fast fiber internet, others may have slow mobile data. So, engineers created a smarter solution called Dash. Dash stands for Dynamic Adaptive Streaming over HTTP. Now, the idea behind Dash is very clever. Instead of storing one version of the video, the server stores multiple versions. For example, low quality version, HD version, and 4K version. Means same video but different qualities. Now, the video is divided into small chunks of few seconds each. Before downloading the next chunk, the client checks how good is my current internet speed. If the internet speed is high, it downloads high quality chunks. If the internet speed becomes low, it switches to lower quality chunks. And this switching happens automatically while the video is playing. This is why your YouTube video sometimes becomes blurry for a few seconds and then becomes clear again. The system is adjusting video quality according to your internet speed, and this helps avoid buffering. So, in summary, video streaming means watching video while it is being delivered over the internet. HTTP streaming sends video like a normal web file using HTTP requests. And Dash intelligently changes video quality according to network conditions for a smooth playback. And this is how platforms like YouTube and Netflix stream videos smoothly to millions of users around the world. Thanks for watching.